Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF4021 filter into the housing. Reinstall the securing tab. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.